My name's Jason, and I'm the founder and owner of Blue Truss. Blue Truss is a roofing company based in Montgomery, Texas, and we build the finest roofs that are out there. I grew up in a small town, and I come from a blue-collar family, right? So there was always these really good values set of working hard to earn what you wanted to get in life. And I was actually the first out of my entire family to go to college. So I went off to college, I got my undergrad at Penn State, I got an MBA later in life, and I spent 20 years working in corporate America, mostly focused around helping companies focus on customer success and making people happy, right? And I really learned the value of what a happy customer can mean for the company and also for the community. And that kind of led me into Blue Truss and creating this roofing company, because contractors are historically horrible at business. They don't do what they say, they don't show up, they don't answer telephone calls, they don't respond to emails. Projects are always over time, over budget, and there just seems to be often a lack of professionalism in construction and particularly in roofing. Why does it have to be this way? So I talked to my friends and my neighbors, and everybody said the same thing. Hey, it's construction. That's what it is. Or hey, it's roofing, it's just what it is. And I don't accept that. I don't think it's what it is. I think that companies can really be something different. And so when I thought about this, I said, well, what if I designed a company that was truly customer focused? Of course you have to build a good project, right? Of course the roof has to be built to the highest standards, or the project has to be of the highest level of quality. That's a given. But it's more than just the build. It's more than just the project. You have to pay attention to what's going on in the family's life and be able to fit your work into what's going on with them so you're not disruptive and you can actually help them feel successful. So that's what we did. I want to be the premier customer-focused roofing company in the state of Texas and possibly beyond. I want people to know that when they work with a construction company, that they can have an easy, simple process. Why does it have to be any different whenever it's roofing? I don't think it has to be. So we want to be the company that sets clear expectations, that shows up on time, that answers emails, that calls you back when you call us, even if it's on the weekend. And we want to deliver for our customers. We also want to be known as somebody that actually cares about our local community and cares about what's going on outside of just the next project. And so we built Blue Truss. We want to be a different kind of roofing company.